Welcome to Kettle Labs How To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to use LLM for structured outputs in GenAI. Let's get started. In LangChain and LLM, structured output is a technique where the model returns data in a consistent, predefined format, such as JSON, XML, or key-value pairs. This approach is especially useful for extracting specific information from unstructured text, like call transcripts or reviews, and formatting it for easy parsing and programmatic use. Let's check this simple flow to understand how it works. First, raw, unstructured data, for example, text or transcripts, etc., is given as input. Then the LLM processes the input, interpreting and generating an initial response based on the provided prompt. Next, the model generates an unrefined response, often in natural language or loosely structured data. The raw output is then cleaned, parsed, and transformed into a structured format, such as JSON. Next, the output is returned in a predefined consistent format, such as JSON or CSV. Finally, the structured output is sent back to the user or system for further use. In this demonstration, it starts by importing the required libraries for defining prompts, chains, structured tools, and handling environment variables. It then loads environment variables from env file. Next, it defines a prompt template for extracting the name, address, and phone number from the transcript. It executes the chain to get a response, and cleans and parses the result into a Python dictionary. Then it defines schemas for input or the transcript, and outputs such as name, phone number, address using Pydantic. It wraps the function in a structured tool for standardized input or output handling, and demonstrates how to run the tool with a sample transcript. Finally, it prints the extracted data like name, phone number, address, and its type. Structured output in LLM is being effectively used in many areas, such as automating the extraction of customer data from unstructured texts, like call transcripts or chat logs, validating data from forms or surveys, to ensure compliance with business rules, generating financial reports from structured transaction data, and classifying legal documents, while extracting key details such as parties, dates, and amounts, thereby streamlining data processing and improving accuracy across various business operations. Stay tuned for more tutorials on GenAI. Thank you for watching.